name is Dave. Today I'm going to share with you how to assemble a fruit tray. Essential tools you need for a fruit tray. I like to use a serrated knife instead of a flat knife or a French knife, just sharper, does the edges a little better. Always have a spoon for like the cantaloupes and honeydew, stuff like that. And you need your fruit tray. I pre-made up a little bit of dip here. Maybe some of you will like it. I've been in the food service for about 20 years. Trained here in Colby. I've been in casinos out in Vegas, sous chef out in Vegas, and I work for a company called Jason's Deli, which does a lot of fruit trays and sandwiches and stuff like that. Fruit is kind of a healthy alternative to pizza, stuff like that, and it's pretty good. You can snack on it throughout the day. You don't have to throw it in the refrigerator real quick and it'll stay pretty good. Based on availability with everything, you have to kind of keep the fruit in season, but most all year round it's pretty good. To save time, I kind of washed up all my fruits and pre-cut a little bit of stuff. And I brought some leaf lettuce. I like to put a little bit of leaf lettuce in between the fruits because some of them get acidic and they kind of blend in with other fruits. So now I'm just going to kind of show you how I cut up some of these fruits, and then I'm going to lay it out on a tray for you and see what we got. First one is a cantaloupe here. The cantaloupe, I like to cut the ends off like so. And pineapple, I do kind of the same thing. And then I go around the outside and I cut the skin off, kind of in a curved motion, so not to use up so much of the fruit. This one's pretty fresh, it looks pretty good. Kind of low, the table's a little low here, it's hard to cut. But that's kind of how I do it. And then with the pineapple, I kind of cut down the middle a little bit here because there's a little rind on the inside and it's kind of hard. So I cut that out. And then I just kind of cut strips. You can go as thick as you want. Then I kind of cube it out. Same thing with the other one. And I just kind of portion it on the plate. Like so. And I'm kind of cutting up the cantaloupe. I kind of do the same thing, just kind of get the outside. I don't like the rind on the cantaloupe because it tastes kind of sour. I kind of like just like the fruit. Then I kind of cut it down the middle. And I get the seeds out on the inside. Just kind of scrape it out. I don't like any seeds in the fruit. It just doesn't taste good to me. Throw all your trash away. Then I kind of cut it the same way, just kind of strips. And I dice it. And I put some grapes in here. I just grab a whole wad of grapes. Just kind of put it on the side there. And then I'll grab strawberries I already pre-cut. I'll just throw these on here. Then I always put a little bit of leaf lettuce in between. Like I said, sometimes it gets acidic when it stops. It kind of makes it look good. And that's kind of the finished product right there. People are kind of attracted more to a nicer plate, and just kind of looks better. And it's not easy to, it's not hard to do, and it costs a lot less to do, so maybe this will kind of invite people not to do all the pre-made stuff. So, and that's my fruit tray, thank you.